Adequate subcooling in the liquid line is desirable because of what reasons? Let's assess each of our options one by one. Let's look at answer A. Would adequate subcooling in the liquid line indicate that the system is not undercharged? I would say that's true. Whenever a system is undercharged, the condenser coil has a very hard time actually creating any liquid at all. And therefore, because there's a less likely chance that you're going to make lots of liquid in the condenser, you also have a much lower chance of generating lots of subcooling. Remember, subcooling only can be created once you have a 100% liquid formed in the condenser. So it is true that adequate subcooling in the liquid line would indicate that the system is more than likely not undercharged. How about B? Would subcooling in the liquid line indicate the condenser has fully condensed the superheated gas from the discharge line? Yes, that's also true, because you cannot form subcooling until all of the hot gas has changed state into a liquid. So the condenser must be doing its job. Then we can look at C. Does subcooling in the liquid line indicate the metering device will never have vapor entering it? Well, right away you know that that is true. If you have subcooling in the liquid line, it means there can't be any vapor because you never would have had subcooling in the first place had there still been some vapor in the condenser that had not condensed to a liquid. Subcooling, once again, never gets formed until all the hot, superheated vapor in the condenser is changed in its state into a liquid. Then and only then can you pick up some subcooling. In other words, lower the temperature of the refrigerant below its condensing point. So in our question here, it just so happens that D is the correct answer. Subcooling in the liquid line means that all of these things are true.